Hello and welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation. Now, before we start, find a comfortable seated position. You can pause this video now if you want to. Now let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And let it out slowly. Deep breath in. And let it out slowly. Take a moment to notice any tension or stress you may be holding in your body. Deep breath in. And let it out slowly. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to relax and let go of any tension in your shoulders, your neck, and your jaw. Now, deep breath in. And let it out slowly. Bring your awareness to your breath. Follow the flow of air as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of air moving in and out of your nose. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in peace and calm. With each exhale, imagine you're releasing any stress or worry you may be carrying. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Simply notice the thoughts that arise without judgment Then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now I invite you to imagine a peaceful place. It could be a forest, a beach, or a mountaintop. Whatever place brings you a sense of calm and serenity. Do this as you continue to breathe deeply. Picture yourself in this peaceful place. Surrounded by the beauty of nature. Take in the sights, the sounds, and the smells around you. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the peace of calm. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the peace and calm of this place. Flowing into your body. Allow yourself to be fully immersed and relax and let go of any tensions and stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the peace and calm of this place. Flowing into your body. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go of any tension or stress. Stay here in this peaceful place for a few moments. Breathing deeply and enjoying the sense of calm. Deep breath in and let it out slowly. Deep breath in and let it out slowly. Deep breath in and let it out slowly. When you're ready, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and stretch your arms up overhead. when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel after this brief meditation. May you carry the sense of peace and calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for meditating with me today.